What a beautiful place this is. This village has a postcard background of these hills. Wonderful. Okay, so this seems to be the off-road that I saw on the maps. Let me see where it goes. ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಮ್ಮ? ಇದು ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರ್ತಾ? ಹಳ್ಳಿಗೆ ರೋಡ್ పోమా? బెంగళూరు నుంచి వచ్చా, హంగే రైడ్, చుమ్మా రైడ్. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ. She doesn't know Kannada and I don't know Tamil, so yeah, by what she says, I think there is a route. Okay. ரோடு இருக்கா? Okay, and the adventure begins. It's a proper off-road. I hope the bike can go. Okay, because of the rains, it has eroded the soft soil, and there are more rocks. Wow, this is totally off-road. Complete soil is eroded. Whoa, man. Wow, check this out. Check this out for a view. I've just left the main road, taken a right, and I've already gained an elevation. It's a beautiful hill there. Okay, let me see how far I can go. Oh wow, it's not easy. You need a bike like Expulse. Wow, this is totally gone. Couple of villagers coming down on this track, and they said, yeah, it's little rocky but manageable after some distance. So what I'm thinking is I will drive a little further on and see if I can do it, but I don't want to take too much of a risk because the bike is heavy, and if it falls it will be difficult for me to lift alone. But this is perfect sort of adventure bike country, Expulse and stuff like that. In fact, the villagers asked me if I came for some movie shooting, because they say people from Madras come here for movie shooting, it seems, and he thought I'm one of them. So not a bad find. This is totally broken roads. ರೋಡ್ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಮುಂದೆ ಹಾಂ ಹಿಂಗೇನಾ ಸರಿ I see some village folks, they are driving on their two-wheelers here. They seem to be doing it easily because I mean they live here and they know the lay of the land, or should I say this track. Crazy, man. Oh, lovely hills, man. I almost tripped and fell there, so I had to pull to the right lane. Okay, it again gets bad here. Oh man. Oh. Goodness gracious me. There's no track at all. Imagine the difficulties of the people who are staying here. Whoa. What is this? Wow. Wow, man, what is this? Okay. This is crazy, man. This is just, my shoe sole came off. Wow. தமிழா ಇವಳೆ இருக்கா அது கொஞ்சம் ಬೆಟರಾ ಹಾಂ ಈಗ ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ ಆರಾಮಾ ಓಕೆ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ರಿಲೇಟಿವ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯೂ ರಾಯಲ್ ಎನ್ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ shoe and the sole completely sheared off clean while I was navigating through this. Wow. That's the sole. So much for Royal Enfield's quality. Wow, man. When you're negotiating through terrain like this, if the shook sole comes off, wow, Royal Enfield needs to take notice. God, this is properly, wow, check out that hill there, amazing. Here luck, actually my right sole also was giving way, so when I was coming near denkanikotta, I bought this shoe fix. Luckily I bought this because I need it here. I hope this will work. Pouring this generously onto my sole. Okay, so I need to now wait and see if this holds. Listen to the sounds of the forest. Wow. They say another 5-6 kilometers to reach the top, but I'm not sure I can drive all the way to the top. I'll drive a little way and see. Wow, check out the view from here, guys. Just fantastic. I was actually thinking of buying a X-Pulse. I think I should buy it sooner than later. You know, you need to have a light bike, and a proper adventure bike helps in this terrain. Even though the villagers here are actually driving 100cc bikes, and they're pretty good at it. Yeah, one major reason is it's a light bike and they have a lot of experience riding here. And he says you have to go behind the route goes behind that hill, it seems. That will be unbelievable. It'll just be unbelievable. Oh, check out this small stream here. Gorgeous. I think it's as fresh as it can get. Now I think the climb again begins to the next hill, I guess. Oh. Whew. Some of the gradients actually I'm taking are quite steep. Just check this, how steep it is. One thing is, when you're climbing, you don't make out so much, but when you're getting down, that's actually kind of worrying me. Getting down will be even more difficult actually than climbing up. Yeah, it's best if you have ABS on both wheels and a lightweight bike. This does not have ABS, so I actually skidded there once. I'm thinking I'll have to stop somewhere. It's just not worth taking too much of a risk. But you know, when you look at the route, it looks a little tempting. It feels like, okay, let me go a little further. I don't know. I was just flying my drone now, and I sent it up near that hill behind there. And once it went there, I'm not sure, my mobile lost connection with the controller. So basically what happens then is you can't see anything on the mobile, because that's the display. Because once you send the drone a little further, you can't see where the drone is. And I couldn't make out the drone at all, in the background of that hill. So it was a scary situation. Actually, I actually walked down a little bit there. Somehow then I could make out the drone a little bit, behind that hill. I couldn't even actually send it up very high for me to see it, because there's an altitude limit on my drone. So yeah, scary situations. Finally I was able to see it, and luckily got back the drone. Wow. So I'm deciding to head back from here, even though it's just a few kilometers up ahead, and I think there's even a better view there, but this is a good view already. But I'll definitely come back here again, and next time probably either I'll stop the bike there and walk up all the way. I think that's a better idea to do. But for now I'll focus on getting back down safely. I'm taking this descent easy. You see, if it had rained, at least there'll be some traction. Otherwise, there's less traction on the wheel, and you have very little margin for error. When you're going up, you don't feel that much, but while going down, it's all the more difficult. What a time to get a call, actually. It's the most irritating time when you're struggling to stay upright and your phone constantly keeps ringing. Wow, it's just stunning scenery all around. Just stunning. You need to quickly decide in such places which route you are going to take, the one on the left or the right. and pretty much once you take that route, there's no way you can change it.
இதுதான் சார்.
ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು?
நீங்க சாருங்க, நீங்க எப்படி?
ನಂಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದೇ ಹೋಗಿ ಬಂದೆ ಅಂತನಾ ಏನು? ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದು ಅಂತ. ಅದೇ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. ಈ ಸಲ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತು.
ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. வண்டியிலே கஷ்டம் தான். அந்தாலே நடந்து வந்தா இன்னும் கஷ்டம்.
ನಡಿಬೋದು, ಪರ ನಡಿಯೋಕೆ ಏನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಗಾಡಿನೇ ಕಷ್ಟ. ಸರಿ. So just as I was traversing a very technical section, the camera battery went off. So yeah, luckily I have a spare battery, and even that is, probably just 10-15% left. But yeah, I found this cool place again. What a beautiful stream this is. I'm going to just wash my face, refresh myself for a little bit, and then continue head back down.
பைக்கில் புல்லட்ல சார் அங்க வெளியும் போய் வந்துட்டாரு அப்படின்ட்டு பார்க்கலான்ட்டே வந்தது.
ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದ್ರಾ? ಸರಿ ಸರಿ ಸರಿ.
ಸೀಕ್ರமா போணும். ಸೀಕ್ರமா போணும். மெதுவா போணும்.
ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ.
ரொம்ப ಜೋರ ಹೋಗಬೇಡ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ.
ಮಲ್ಲಮಾವೇ.
This water is tasty to directly drink. I mean, it's so clear. I drank a little bit. You still don't know. There may be okay, you can see frogs there, so you never know how pure the water is. So I'm not very sure. You can see tadpoles right there. All right, refreshed. Now it's close to 1 o'clock, and I'll start navigating down. There are only a few sections which are relatively easy like this. Oh my god, check this out, man. Whoa. No. I just came down this section. This was a pretty scary section. My rear keeps slipping because there's no ABS. It keeps slipping. Luckily I didn't fall there, and I have another difficult section coming up next, and my GoPro battery just switched off. I don't know, it was at 9%. From 9% it went to 0 immediately. I don't know if it is heated. Sometimes that happens when the camera is heated, for whatever reason. So see, I have to get down to that level still. I'm like halfway up the hill. It's just ridiculously difficult to get down, especially. So I'm having to practically take a break every single section of off-road. I just got down that stretch of stones. I have 2 sections ahead, 2-3 sections at least, which are quite tricky ahead. So I'm taking a break after every single section. It's mighty tiring. Plus my quick fix of the shoe is already giving way. I'm just hoping it holds until I get down this section, otherwise it will be even more tricky. And this is another section which is very tricky. I'm not sure if I should take this left route or the right one. And man, it's very committing, and both looks little slippery. So yeah, the bike is parked there, and I'm unsure which route to take, either to go at the left or the right. While getting up it looked slightly difficult, but while getting down it's looking incredibly difficult. And I'm just hoping for any passerby, any villager, if they come. I've been sitting here for more than 15-20 minutes now, nobody has come. I'm hoping if I can take a little bit of help from them or something like that. Nobody came, so I'm attempting this on my own. Let's see. Anything. Another section done. Oh god, I don't know how many more. Long way down still. You can see the road down there in the valley. Yeah. Whoa, hey. Oh. Man. How did I get up here, man? How did I get up here in the first place? How the hell did I come up here? I need another break. So yeah, this was the place I took a break while going up also. So I've stopped there. And I've run out of water also. I need to get down and drink fast. But getting down is excruciatingly slow. Wow, and it is, I never realized it's going to be so tiring on your muscles. It's testing your core strength to the limit. Hats off to these villagers, they're doing this stretch with heavy luggages. I mean, I didn't see anyone now for the past 1 hour, but before that, all those guys who are going up, coming down on the bike, they're doing it as if like, you know, you're riding in Bangalore streets. And they're doing it with, I mean, of course it's difficult for them also, they're balancing, but god, they're doing it with heavy luggages on their back. Just unreal. This is mighty difficult. This stretch is mighty difficult. It's testing, you know, it's going to test anyone's core strength. Time to continue. While I was sitting there, I saw, right next to me, I saw this big tick on the ground. I got really scared. I really hope there's no ticks on me now. This is again slippery. Very slow. Come on. That's good. Okay, this is one last really difficult one again. Just when you're hoping it's over, no, it's not over. So the GoPro Hero 10 battery died on me I was navigating down that stretch. So I have actually switched to my trustworthy old GoPro Hero Session. So hopefully this is going to keep me company till I get down. Yes, I was right. So difficult bits are indeed over, and I've come back down. ನೀರು ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಬೋರ್ವೆಲ್ ನೀರಾ? ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ಓ ಸಂತೋಷ. ನಾನು ತಮಿಳಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟು ತಮಿಳ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನಾವು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಹೊಸೂರು ಹತ್ರ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಸರಿ ಸರಿ. ಮೇಲೆ ದಾರಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ. ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಅರ್ಧ ಮುಕ್ಕಾಲು ದಾರಿ ಹೋಗಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಶೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಯ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ.
ಶೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಮ್ಯಾಗ ನೋಡ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗುಡ್ಡ ಐತಿ ನೋಡ, ಆ ಕಡೆ,
ಆ ಗುಡ್ಡದ ಆ ಕಡೆಗ? ಅದೇ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಹೇಳೋದು ಶೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. Thankfully the lady gave me some precious water. God. I'm going to settle down somewhere and see if I can. She said there is a dhaba nearby. I'll see if I can come and eat here. It looks like a non-veg dhaba, man. ಏನಿದೆ?
ರೋಟಿ,
ಹಾಂ, ರೋಟಿ ರೈಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ರೋಟಿ ರೈಸ್, ಚಿಕನ್ ಕಾಡ, ಬೋಟಿ.
ವೆಜ್ ಏನಿದೆ?
ವೆಜ್ ರೈಸ್ ಮಟನ್.
ವೆಜ್ ರೈಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ವೆಜ್ ರೈಸು, ವೆಜ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್, ಮಶ್ರೂಮ್, ಸಣ್ಣ.
So guys, I didn't like that dhaba much because it's mainly non-veg food and they were doing a lot of alcohol. So I didn't like that place. So anyway, I'm not hungry actually. It's still 2 o'clock I think. And I can drive back all the way to A to B or some other place and eat there. So it's been one hell of an adventure. It's properly an adventure for me. It was physically exhausting as well, that ride up. I'm going to definitely be here again, and next time I'm going to walk up this. Apart from the villagers, there's not a single visitor. Nobody goes there. It's a fantastically beautiful place, but nobody knows it. And I really want to maintain that status quo, and because I don't want to publish it. There's no videos about this place on YouTube, and hence I don't want to readily serve it up on YouTube and spoil the sanctity of that place. So sorry about that, but please do understand. It's not that I don't want to say about it. It's just that the place is pristine, and you know what happens when too many people go. I mean, it's not a tourist place. It's a totally off-beaten path. So that's it, guys. So I'm going to pack up now and just head back to Bangalore. I'll see you guys on another adventure. Thanks for joining in. Take care, see you then, and goodbye.